put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
can see, is a bit filled up. I have some stuff here. So it's filled up. Here is the kitchen side. Here is the cabinet. Here is the electric cooker and the sink. Guys, pardon me, it's a bit messed up. I've already settled it, so it's a bit messed up. Here, over here, we have the fridge. The fridge is fully stocked up. And guys, they have some complimentary. Those drinks, they are complimentary. Have some chocolates, some drinks, small drinks. Over here, we have some snacks and water. So here is the living room. Here we have couch and these chairs. Guys, pardon all this mess you're seeing here. Pardon all this mess you're seeing here. So over here we have the closets. And over here we have closets. We have this huge mirror. Here is the bed. Then here is my view, guys. Here is my view. Can you see that, guys? Can you see that? Here is my view, guys. Can you see? So just outside my room, you get this view. So this is what I'm waking up to every morning, guys. This is not beautiful. Is this view not beautiful, guys? It's the swimming pool. Guys, you can see the beach there. Let me zoom in. Can you see the beach? Yeah. So here's my. This is all about the room tour. What again didn't I show? Guys, there is AC. As you can see, one is over here and one is over here. Yeah. Okay, guys, there is microwave. Can you see it? There is microwave here. There is microwave. There is more storage here. There's more storage here. Yeah. The room is very spacious. I love the room. It's very big. And the star of the show is this view. Guys, it's this view. View is giving.
A few inches later.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I know I haven't talked to the camera. I'm so sorry, guys. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Miriam and you're welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, thank you for coming back to my channel. So guys, you guys already know this video is a travel vlog, and guys, I'm in Lagos. So guys, I'm in beach house, I'm in lighthouse. The breeze here is something else. It's actually blowing my tripod away. Guys, I'm in Lighthouse Beach, Ilesha in Lagos State. So you're welcome to another video. Thank you. I'm happy you are here, and I love you. So guys, today have been a lot. Guys, pardon me if you see me like this. I'm actually supporting my tripod to stand. So guys, today have been a lot. I had morning flight to Lagos State. Luckily, I did not miss the flight. I was so happy. I did not miss my flight. So I had a flight to Lagos State by 9. I got to airport around that time after 8. No, to 8. Yes, I got to airport around to 8. I boarded. Guys, that was the beginning of the things that happened to me today. Guys, like I felt like vomiting, I felt like throwing up, I felt sick, I felt drained, my tummy was paining me, my tummy was itching me, everything was literally doing me. Guys, you already saw the video now. I took drugs, I took plantain chips that was given to me in the plane so I can feel better, but none of them work, guys. None of them work. We finally landed. You guys saw when I did the sign of the cross, guys. Guys, I was dying. I was dying today. So guys, we landed. Then I went to restaurant, as you guys saw. I went and bought some food. Then from there, I bought a boat. Guys, my ride today was just like this. My trip today was just like this. Guys, you guys saw the boat video now. My wig was literally falling off my head. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me because the wind from this beach, I already show you guys my view now. So the wind from this beach is so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just pray you guys can hear me. So I entered the boat, then it was fun. I enjoyed the ride, it was fun. My wig almost fell off my head. Literally, my wig almost fell off. So I had to, wing it off. I have to wing it off. So guys, I completed the journey with my cornrow. I told you guys I will make my cornrow. So I completed the journey with my cornrow. We got here, I settled in, had some food. Guys, you guys need to see the complimentary they gave me here. They gave me about 6 drinks for complimentary. What? And they even told me that I can order mocktail, cocktail, coconut water, all that good stuff. Guys, this place is literally clean. So clean. The bathroom, the toilet, the chairs, the tables, everything here is clean. And I'm loving it for this place. This place is chill. With this kind breeze outside, it's chill, guys. I just love everything here. It's giving summer, it's giving holidays, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. Yeah, guys, I'm out here with my water. I just came to talk to you guys. I'm out here with my water. I just came to talk to you guys because I realized that I haven't spoke to the camera since I started this vlog. So here I am speaking to you guys, my G's, my besties. Here I am speaking to you guys. So what's my activities for tomorrow? I'm going to go to the beach tomorrow. Why am I here? I want to go to the beach and ride some bike and horse. So tomorrow I'm definitely going to the beach. What again? Tomorrow I'll ask the receptionist of this place the activities they have. Like I was saying, tomorrow I'm going to ask the receptionist the activities they have here, the activities I can try, because obviously I cannot try everything out. There might be some things I might be scared to try out. So tomorrow I'm going to ask for the activities they have and try out the ones I can. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing tomorrow. Guys, they also give complimentary breakfast. So you guys are going to see me in the pool or in my room eating my breakfast. So they give complimentary breakfast. I don't know about lunch and dinner. I don't know about that. But guys, I came prepared. So even if they are not giving me, no problem. So guys, that's it. What again, guys. If I turn on this camera, I'll just forget everything I have in mind to say. I'll just forget everything, guys. What again? Tomorrow, I just pray tomorrow turns out to be a very good day because again do I have to tell you guys? Yeah, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please support your girl. You know, subscribe. You know, those stuff. Subscribe, leave comments, like, share my video. I don't mind me. I'm just tired. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like my videos. Yeah, and you know, tell a friend about my channel. Okay. So guys, yeah, that's just all I'll be doing this night. I'm just staying here, chill, edit some videos, then when I'm feeling good, I'll go back to my room. I like it here. So when I'm feeling good, I'll just go back to my room. Then tomorrow we start again. Yeah. Once again, I'm not eating dinner this time because I already ate around 4-ish, 5-ish. So I'm not eating. Yeah. Anywho's, I'll let you guys know what's up. If there's any updates, if there's anything I'm trying out, you guys already know. I'm sure going to turn on my camera to capture that moment for you guys. So guys, I don't know if I'm going to get copyrighted because there's actually a song in the background. I don't know if it's entering this video. I just pray it's not entering this video. God, please. Yeah. Guys, I've been talking for a minute. I think I'll just enjoy this moment, edit my videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Bye guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Angel. Subscribe to my channel. Oh. Good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. See, they're setting up a fireplace. Hi, good evening. What time is it starting? 10. Okay. Guys, can you see activity choke? And I was planning to go and sleep. Okay, did I come here to sleep? So guys, this is how everywhere looks at night. I think it will look more better when they light up this place. That is why they call here lighthouse. Jabi lighthouse, yes. Guys, don't mind me, Jerry. Lighthouse, you see the lights here. Wow.
A few moments later.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. Can you it feel like summer? I feel like summer. I feel like summer. You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. Can you I feel like summer?
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, my neighbors. How are you doing today? Guys, good morning. How was your night? I hope you all. Let me flip the camera so you guys can see my face. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How was your night? I hope you all slept well. Yeah. So this is another day. And guys, I'm just waking up to this beautiful to this awesome view, guys. This morning I want to make pasta, guys. Yesterday night I went to that firework. I didn't gist you guys what happened. I went there. They didn't start by 10. You know, I asked that guy. He said they are starting by 10. They didn't start by 10. Rather, they started by 11. So I went there. This day's cold was intense. It was inside my body. This day's cold was so intense. So when they started, I was glad. I went there. It was good. I felt warm. The firework was good. I felt, is it firework or fireplace? Guys, anyone, but you guys know what I'm talking about. It was good. I met some people. We had a little chit chat. It felt beautiful. So after that, I came upstairs to my bed, and I came upstairs to my room and went to bed. So this is the next day, the next morning, and guys, my hand is paining me. And guys, this is the next morning, and guys, this morning I want to make pasta. I'm craving pasta, so I want to make pasta. This place, they give complimentary breakfast, but pasta is not just in the menu, so I want to make pasta that I will eat. I ordered for breakfast, so when it comes, I'll eat it. Maybe pasta will be later in the day, but I want to make it now. Yeah, so guys, after this, I'll go inside and make pasta. I'm just checking in with you guys. How are you all doing? Hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. So good. And guys, what do I have to do today? Guys, I found out that you can go for fishing. I'm definitely going for fishing today, guys. I'm definitely going for fishing. Today, after making pasta, I'm going to dress. I'm going to do my makeup, dress up. Then I'll go for beach. Today is a beach day. So guys, today is, my hand hurts. So guys, today is a beach day. So I'll dress up the beach. Then after that, maybe later in the day, I'll go for fishing. Guys, I'm going to just take you guys along with me when I'm going for all this. I'm going for fishing. But right now, I just want to cook my pasta, have some food, rest, then I'll get started with my day. And guys, the breeze here. Oh, the cool and calm environment this place gives. I didn't even feel like waking up this morning. I wanted to just lay in bed till maybe 1, 2, because now it's 9. This is after 9. So I felt like laying in bed for some more hours. Guys, this place gives that cool and calm, environment. Yeah, but I have to wake up to look for what I'll eat. So I'm up. Let me go and make pasta, guys. What again? If there's anything, guys, I'll sure let you guys know. But for now, you're welcome to the next morning. Guys, you're welcome to the next morning in this lighthouse beach in Malaysia. What again? Is there any other thing? Please, if you are watching, please subscribe to my channel, support your girl, all the good stuff. Okay. Support me, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Because guys, I might come back here again December, or I'll go somewhere else December. So support me, just subscribe so you don't miss all this good content I'm giving you guys. Yeah, guys, I'll see you all when I'm cooking my pasta. For now, see ya. Okay, bye guys, bye.
Faking me out. was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell them what you know, what you see, though. Oh, oh, oh. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell your friends about it. Don't tell them what you know, what you see, how I roll, how I did it on the low. Don't tell your friends about it. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas, I'm just living. Tell them how you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the inside.
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood. Laying on
So guys, my pasta is ready, and these guys have not even brought my breakfast. He's even waiting for them. You can see there is prawns here, sea prawns. There is chicken breast here. I use enough crayfish, guys.
Can't make you happier now. You can't fight it, you can't breathe. You say something so loving, but now I gotta let you go. You'll be better off in someone new. I don't wanna be alone. You know it hurts me too. You look so broken when you cry. One more and then I say goodbye. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
Guys, this food tasted so good. I wish you guys can taste this food. So sweet. I love every bit of from the pasta to the chicken breast to the prawn, shrimps. So good. And guys, the hotel have not brought breakfast yet. Okay, I think their breakfast is by 10. I don't know. I'm okay, I'm cool. I'll just rest. Just maybe lay down in bed, press my phone, and if I get ready to leave my room. Okay? Yeah.
And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell them what you know, what you see. Fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid.
Hi guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me guys because I'm outside again and the wind from this beach is so loud. It's too much and it's so loud guys, but I'm done getting ready. I want to head out to the beach now guys. The makeup did not work. You guys saw when I was applying my makeup, it did not work. I was just doing left, right and center. I just quickly pack my things and another thing is that some of the things I need for the makeup I did not come here with it, so I was just discouraged. I did not proceed with the makeup. But guys, I'm done. I got ready. This was not the initial outfit, but I'll still wait maybe tomorrow or next. So this is what I'm putting on. Well, I'll show you guys the full fit when I get to the beach, but this is what I'm looking like. Yeah, let's head to the beach now. Okay. If you're still watching and you're not yet subscribed, what is it? Subscribe to my channel now. Okay, so guys, let's head to the beach. I don't know if you can see my face. Guys, it's so sunny here. So this is my sunscreen. Although I applied sunscreen, but this cap, the main purpose of this cap is to protect my face from sunburn. So yeah guys, let's go. So guys, I'm just out here chilling. I just ordered some drinks guys. The sun is too much. The sun is so scorchy. Like the sun is scorchy. I can't go to the beach now. So I might go to the beach maybe later in the evening around that time. 4 each. Guys, I can't go now. The sun. I'll just stay here. Here is better. Here is actually better. Under one of these cuban, I don't know what do they call it. I'll just stay here and chill and take some drink with ice. So that's the plan of today. That's the plan now. And so let me update you guys. So that's what I'm doing now. Whew. Today's sun is something else. It's so scorchy. Like, I'm not going to get sunburn in this joint. So that's just what I'm doing now. Okay guys.
You can feel it in the streets on a day like this. Can keep it feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer. I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
Taking notes on my keyboard.
repeat chance card.
Put this to so it will not for the money. So I should do.
Yes. Five.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You want to buy it?
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
enjoying myself. I'm having the time of my life. Guys, it's not easy living in the moment and vlogging the moment for you guys to see. Please applaud me in the comment section. Applauding me, I mean, is subscribe to my channel. Guys, subscribe. Tell me in the comment section you are subscribed to my channel because I did a good job, because I vlog everything. Guys, subscribe to my channel. That is the only way you can applaud me. That's the only way to make me happy. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, guys, I want to go upstairs now. Guys, I'm so hungry. You know what is hungry? Guys, I'm so hungry. I want to go upstairs now, shower, then eat and get ready for the burn night or fire night. I cannot remember what it's called. But I want to go upstairs now and get ready for it. I want to go upstairs, shower, and get ready for it. Yeah. So far so good. I've been enjoying my stay here. Everything is okay. Everything is beautiful. Guys, please support your girl, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Let me show you guys my seeing you guys might be when I'm eating or later this night when I'm downstairs for the whole night. So I'll see you all later. Bye guys.